Welcome to this screencast covering one of the key features in CapMon, the use of statistics. Statistics in CapMon are numerical values that we collect from the monitor equipment and store as statistic data. Here we have the statistics page. At the left, we have a tree view of the monitored nodes. Let's have a look at one of our Cisco routers. As you can see here, there are several interfaces and statistics for this router. Each interface has statistic data collected from exactly that interface. We can use the filter option to zoom in on specific statistics groups. So let's see the data traffic for the interface Fast Ethernet 01. And here it is. You can select an area in the chart to zoom in on. Furthermore, you can use the zoom tools to get other time ranges for the statistic. The left and right side of the screen can be adjusted to your needs. Now, let's have a look at another kind of statistic. We have a temperature sensor on our main server. Let's set the tree aside for a moment. As expected, the statistic doesn't vary as much as the data traffic on our router. We can easily change the time range for the chart by using the selector at the top. As you can see here, the temperature varies up and down during the course of a month. Enable the trend to see the general tendency of the statistic values, removing all the temporal noise. Let's imagine that I need to know whether or not a certain value is reached this year. So what will the temperature be on New Year's Eve? Okay, it's expected to be 24.3. But when will the temperature hit 23 degrees? With the current development of the temperature, it should hit 23 degrees on April the 2nd. Let's go back to the Cisco router from before. Let's choose traffic from two different interfaces. It's easy to jump back and forth in the time range. If you want to compare another time range with this one, just copy the chart and change the time range for that new chart. Let's compare today's traffic with the data from yesterday. Here you can see how data over time is leveled out. The time range for this can be configured in the preferences for CapMon. Another cool thing you can do is to use the displayed statistics to create a third new statistic. At the moment, you can choose between average and sum. I want to create a sum of these two traffic statistics. If I have a lot of statistics, I can choose to omit some of the highest and lowest values. And here it is, a sum of the two statistics from above. I can even save this new statistic and use it as an ordinary statistic with threshold, trends, and alarms. I will save this new statistic on the same Cisco router. And there it is, along with the other two statistics. If you need to change the new statistic, go to the statistic configuration page. This kind of statistic is called a derived statistic and follow an RPN syntax. You can change the RPN expression to do lots more than just a sum. That's it for now on statistics. Be sure to check www.capmon.dk for upcoming screencasts.